That's nice, man. Look at that car. Woo! That's so nice. Nice man, sport. Wow, that's nice. Stingray. Wow, amazing. Woo. That's nice. Check out the classic right here. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Holy moly. This thing is nice. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is nice. Oh, it's beautiful, man.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Holy Jesus.
Good, that's all right.
Yeah.
You can take pictures. That's
Yeah,
that's
this is beautiful, man.
Thank you.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Not bad, man. Gosh.
I just want to fix the helmet.
Wow, how long you had it for?
I had this car since 2016.
Wow.
It's a CO6. It's
Oh my gosh. This is
supercharged.
wow.
V8.
Wow.
6.2 liter. 650 horsepower. Yeah.
Gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's massive.
This is a beautiful car, man.
Thank you.
I love what you did with it. Personality. I like that originality.
Kind of takes away from the regular stock.
Yeah. I love it.
Wow factor.
I love it. I love it. That's why I'm into. Like with my cars, I like to do this. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful car, man.
Thank you.
I love what you did with the wheels with the green.
Yeah,
that's unique. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, that's Menards.
Okay.
Right here, they sponsor the car.
Sweet.
And so it's custom made up for this particular
car.
Yeah,
wow.
they don't sell that on the regular.
Yeah, I never seen that.
Yeah.
Wow.
And so what they do is at nighttime, when I drive at night, and you put a flashlight on it, it's like a neon green fluorescent.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So in a way, it's more like a safety.
Right. So people could be aware of you when they see the lights.
They can miss the tire.
Right.
Yeah. So
right.
That comes from the
Menards
racing.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Man, your car is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. This is amazing.
85 grand if you want to buy it.
You know. Yeah, I was just driving past and I seen it. I was like, oh man, I love Corvettes. I said, let me park and see this.
Quite a few of them.
Yeah, I love it, man. This is a beautiful car.
Nice day.
You too, sir.
Thanks.
And you said 51?
Number 51.
Got you. Man, check out this right here. God, Jesus. That thing right here is beast mode, man. I'm gonna vote for him. Definitely vote for him. That's nice. Gosh. Man, they got so many Corvettes. I think it's like a Corvette show. But man, they got so many nice rides here. Super sick. Like this is really like the American supercar. Like, ooh, that's a Z01. Oh my gosh, it's a black Z01 Camaro. Amazing. Beautiful car. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Jesus. Oh, look at that one with the wing. Look at it over there. Damn, this is nice. Sweet paint job. I like that. Got the classic right here. Check out that coloration, man. That's beautiful. Wow. That's beautiful. Let's see what they got over here. Oh, wow. Nice. Check out that carbon fiber right there. Holy moly. That is nice. That's sick right there. Jesus. Oops. Didn't see that on the ground. Damn, that's nice. Look at that. Holy moly. Alright, see that thing. Holy moly, that's nice. That's insane. Holy. Damn. I like that. You know me, I love wings. That's a nice one right there. APR wing. Nice. That one's nice. I like this. Wow. APR wing. Racing, I like that. That's dope. Wow. Check out the Z06 fence. Wow. Nice. Nice. There's so many cars here. Oh, no, you got the way. There's like so many cars, Corvettes everywhere. This is Corvette heaven. Holy moly. That's nice. There's so many Corvettes. They even got classics too, man. This is insane. Check this one out. Carbon fibered out. Top of the Mook. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Carbon fiber everywhere. Holy moly. Wow. Wow. It's insane. Check this out. They got some nice cars, man. Wow, wow, wow. Holy moly. That one's nice too. Holy shit. Wow. That's amazing. Classic. They got so many cars. OMG. They got so many cars that I can't even walk around and see all of them. But